What is the question? 1012 divided by 898. Find the value up to 4 or up to, let us say 6. Okay, up to 6 significant figures. What are the significant figures? We don't want to find the remainder. Answer should be in the decimal part. Okay, now 1, 0, 1, 2. If you want to find the answer in the decimal part, just put decimal and write down number of zeros, whatever you require. Okay, suppose if you add zeros after decimal, if you add zeros after the right hand side, there is no change at all. Okay, now what is the divisor? Divisor is equal to 898. What is the dividend? That is equal to 1012.0000. And what is the divisor? That is equal to 898. What is the nearest base of this number? That is equal to 1000. Right? Now 1000 minus 898. That is simply, you should take a complement of this number. What is the complement? 102. Now, what is the first step? Straight away write down 1 as it is, no change at all. Next, 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 2, that is equal to 2. Once you reaches the decimal part, just put a decimal here. Okay, now 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Now what should you do? Just to multiply 102 with 1, 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 0, 1 into 2, that is equal to 2. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, right? Now 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 0, 0, 2 into 2, that is equal to 4. What we required? We required 6 significant figures. That means after decimal, we required 6 digits. Okay. Now 2 plus 2, that is equal to 4. Now again, 4 into 1, 4, 4 into 0, 0, 4 into 2, that is equal to 8.
Sir,
2 plus 2, that is equal to 6. Okay, now 6 into 1, 0, 6 into 1, that equals 6, 6 into 0, 0, 6 into 2, that is equal to 12. Now 4 plus 6, that is equal to 10, and 0 here and 1 is here. Suppose if you multiply this number, then what happened? 10 into 1, just that is equal to 10, 0, and 120. Okay, no need to find out this answer. So this is equal to 18. So this is equal to 8 and 1. So what is the answer? 1.124718, which is required answer. But in your examination, any Olympiad or etc., they ask for the up to 3 significant figures or 4 significant figures. They don't want to ask 6 or 7 or 8, etc. Suppose they ask like that, just go through like this only. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
I am going to explain one more example. Let us take 1021 divided by 89. Okay, up to 4 significant figures. Okay, now 1, 0, 2, 1.0000, and this is equal to 89. And what is the complement? That is equal to 1, 1. Okay, what is the first step? Straight away write down 1 as it is. 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1. 0 plus 1, that is equal to 1. 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1. Once you reach the decimal, just put a decimal here. Now 2 plus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 4. 4 into 1, 4, 4 into 1, that is equal to 4. Okay. Now, what is the answer? This is equal to 6, right? Now 6 into 1, 6, 6 into 1, 6. 4 plus 6, that is equal to 10. Okay, now 10 into 1, 10, 10 into 1, that is equal to 10. 6 plus 10, 16. So 6 and 1. That's enough. Why? Because we require up to 4 significant figures. So what is the answer? 11.4716, which is required answer. Same technique. Suppose if you want to find the remainder, you should break this number after 2 digits from your right hand side. Why? Because Here the base is equal to 100. In 100, 2 zeros are there. Suppose if you don't want to find the remainder, just to find the exact answer up to 4 significant figures or 3 significant figures, just do like this. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Okay, I'm going to explain one more example, Raman. 1122 divided by 88, you should find out up to 2 significant figures first initially. 8, 8, 1, 1, 2, 2.000. Okay, no need to break this number. Why? Because we don't want to find the remainder. We want to find the exact answer, right? Now, what is the nearest base of this number, Ramam?
100, sir.
100. Now, 100 minus 88 is equal to
12.
12. What we require? We require the answer should be up to 2 significant figures, right? Now, straight away write down 1. Okay, 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 2, that is equal to 2, right? Up to here, any doubt, Ramon?
No doubt, sir.
No. 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. Now, what should you do? 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 2, that is equal to 4. Once you reach the decimal, just put a decimal here. Okay, if any number reaches to the number beside the decimal, just put a dot here. 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is equal to 6. 6 into 1, 6. 6 into 2, that is equal to 12. Now, this is equal to 2 plus 4, 6 plus 6, that is equal to 2, 1. So, what is the answer? 12.72 is the answer. Is it clear, Rama?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear or not? Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Okay, I'm going to explain one more example. 1001 divided by 79. Okay, 79101.000. Now, this is equal to 21, right? What is the first step? Straight away write down 1 as it is. 1 into 2, 2. 1 into 1, 1. 0 plus 2, that is equal to 2. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 1, 2. Once you reach the decimal, just put a decimal here. Up to here, any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Now 1 plus 4, that is equal to 5. 5 into 2, that is equal to 10. 5 into 1, that is equal to 5, right? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now 1 plus 2 plus 10, 13. 3 is here and 1 is here. I already explained why we write down like this. This is the unit place and this is the tens place. So what is the answer? 12.63, which is required answer. Just cross check in your calculator. Okay, Nana?
Yes,
Raj brothers? Raj brothers.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, Nana?
No doubt, sir.
Okay.
Sir, after 12 points, what we need to do, sir?
What, Pallavi?
After we put down 1 and we multiplied 1 into 2 into
This place, huh?
2. Yes, sir.
Just a moment. Actually, my earphones are not working. I don't know what happened. Just a moment. let us take 2111 divided by 88. So 88 2111.000, and this is equal to 1 2. Straight away write down 2 as it is. 2 into 1 2, 2 times, that is equal to 4. 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3. 3 1 times 3, 3 2 times 6. Once you reaches the decimal, just put a decimal here. 1 plus 4 plus 3, that is equal to 8. 8 into 1, 8. 8 2 times, that is equal to 16. Okay, now 8 plus 6, 15, right? 5 is here and 1 is here. Now what is the answer? 23.95, which is required answer. That's it. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'm going to explain one more example. 1111 divided by 97. 97 1111.0000, and this is equal to 03, not only 3. Now straight away write down 3. 3 into 0 0, 3 into 1 3. 1 plus 0 1. 1 into 0 0. 1 into 3 3.
Sir, for the first, we write down 1.
Yeah. 3 times, that is equal to 9. Good. 9. Once
No,
you reach the
not that one for the first part of the problem.
okay, this is 1. Just a moment. Straight away write down 1 here. 1 into 0 0. 1 into 3, that is equal to 3. 1 plus 3, 1 plus 0 1. 1 into 0 0. 1 into 3, that is equal to 3. 1 plus 3, just here the reaches the decimal, just put a decimal here. 1 plus 3 4. 4 zeros 0. 4 3 times, that is equal to 12. 1 plus 3, that is equal to 4. So what is the answer? Answer is 11.44, which is required answer. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next example. What is the next one? 887.11243.0000. Now, what is the complement? 113. Now, first straight away write down 1. 1 into 1, 1 into 1, 1 into 3. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 into 1, 2 into 1, 2 into 3, 6. Once you reach the decimal, just put a decimal here. Now, what is the sum? This is equal to 5. 5 into 1, 5. 5 into 1, 5. 5 into 3, 15. What is the answer? 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 4 is here and 1 is here. So what is the answer? 12.64 is the answer. Ramam? Wrong, no. Pallavi did a mistake. Raj Brothers did a mistake. Harshika did a mistake. And even Lasasi also did a mistake. All are send your wrong answer. Okay, no.
Okay.
Yeah. Next example. What is the third one? 899.21212 divided by 000. And this is 101. Now straight away write down 2 here. 2 1 times 2, 0. 2 1 times 2. 1 plus 2, 3. This is 3, 0, 3. Once you reaches the decimal, just put a decimal here. 2 plus 3, 5. 5, 0, 5. And this is equal to 8. 23.58 is the answer. Ramam did a mistake. Pallavi did a mistake. Rajbhai did a mistake. Arshika did a mistake. Yes, Lasses, you are correct. I think all of you calculated in calculator, right? I think all of you using calculator.
No, sir.
I written wrong number.
But all of you get 0.59. Suppose if you are using calculator, then you will get the answer 0.59 and half.
Sir, I did
Okay.
not even use calculator.
Okay, but you did a mistake 23.23, but the remaining students got 23.59 only, except classes 3. Okay, no issues, Nana. If you are not using calculator, that's good. Whether it is correct or wrong, no issue. But we need
I
practice
written
only.
question wrong, sir.
Okay. 988 30125.000. And what about this one? 012, right? Now 3 zeros, 313, 32 times 6. This is 0, 0, 0, 0. Put a decimal here. 1 plus 3, 4. 0, 4, 8. And what about this one? This is equal to 8. 30.48 is the answer. Pallavi 30.49. Raj brothers 341.
I divided it by 2, sir. Once.
What, Nana?
I divided it by 2.
Dividing?
I divided it by 2, sir.
Why? Why you are dividing with 2? 2-digit numbers at 12. But be careful, this is 0, 1, 2, not 1, 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay, why? Because 1000 as a base. That means we required 3 digits. Okay. Now, what is the last one? Eight 20102.00000, and this is equal to 1101. Now, straight away write down 2 1101. This is 11101. Put a decimal here. This is 33303. So 21.34 is the answer. Ram, is it clear now? 25, mistake, 22.58, 22.58, 22.57. All are the mistake. 21.34 is the answer. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.